Hi, welcome back. In this video we're doing more percentages. This time we're going to increase by a percentage. If you haven't checked out the previous videos on finding basic percentages, please go back and check them out. So we're going to increase. That means getting bigger. Something's getting bigger when you increase. Let's say we're going to increase £60 by 10%. So like I said, check out the previous videos. I know how to find 10%. You just divide by 10. So 10% is 60 divided by 10. That'll be £6. That's step one, find the percentage. So step one was find the percentage. Step two, just add it on. Add on to original amount. So I've done step one, found the percentage, £6, and step one. And step two, the original amount was £60, and I'm going to add on, that's £6. So it's £66. Two steps only. Find the percentage and then add on to the original amount. So we increased the numbers got bigger. So we started with £60, our answer was £66. So let's do another one. Let's increase £60 by 5%. Again, if you can't remember how to do this, check out the previous videos to find 5%. Find the percentage. So I know 10% of 60 is 6, and 5% is just half of that, half of this. So I found the percentage, there it is, £3. And step two says to add it back onto the original. So the original amount was £60. I'm going to add on the 3. So the answer is £63. That's increasing. We'll do one more. Let's increase £60 by 7%. You've got to find that percentage. So I'd need a 5%, a 1% and a 1%, because they add up to 7%. I know how to get 5%. I find 10% first and then I half it. So 10%, I'll do it over here, 10% of 60, just divide that by the 10, is 6, and 5% is half of that, so it's half of that. So 5% is £3. 1% you divide by 100, so let's do this over here. So 1%, I'm going to divide that £60 by 100, that'd be 60p. So 60p, another 60p. I'm just making them uniform, and then I add them together. 2 down, carry the 1. £4.20 is the amount. I've got to add this onto the original. So that's going to be £64.20. So 2 steps only. Find the percentage. So I found the percentage was £4.20. Then I added it onto the original because I had to increase. So I had to make that number bigger. So let's just do some basic decrease of amount. Make sure you understand the words. Decrease means it's getting smaller. So let's decrease. Decrease £120 by 10%. Again, just 2 steps, but this time we are going to subtract the amount. So first of all, step 1, find 10%, find that percentage, 10% of 120. So all you do is divide by 10 to get 10%. So I know that's the amount, £12, but decrease means the amount's going to get smaller. So I've got to take £12 off 120. So 120, subtract that 12, it's going to be £108. So the number got smaller. Okay, let's do another one of these. So we're going to decrease again, so the number's going to get smaller. Decrease £80 by, let's do 6%. The first step is to find the percentage. So to get 6%, we need a 5% and a 1%. That would be our 6%. To find 5%, first of all, you find the 10% of the number. So you just divide by 10. But I only want 5% here, which is half of that. So it's half of this. So I know 5% equals £4. Now we need 1%, so 1%, all you do is divide by 100. So 1% of 80, so it's 80 divided by 100, 0.8, that's 80p. So all I'm going to do now is add these two together, so I've got my 6%. So £4.80 is what I've got to decrease by. So I've got to take £4.80 off £80. So I'm going to say £80, take away £4.80. Of course, let's go through this together. 0 take away 0 is nothing. 0 take away 8, I can't do that. So I'll borrow a 10 from next door. There's nothing next door, so I have to borrow from the door next to that. So reducing as I go. Now, I've got 10 take away 8 is 2. 9 take away 4 is 5. 7 take away nothing is 7. So there's your answer. So £80 decreased by 6% is £75.20. So do check out previous videos if you've not checked them out already. And do go through these systematically in the correct order would be beneficial for you. And I'll see you in my next video.